So this is the issue with my Vulcan 650. No power. So with this problem, we need to change the battery, and the battery is somewhere here. This part here. But we need to access it through here. We need to remove the seat. To remove the seat, you need to remove the bolt. This bolt first. This one. So we'll remove it. 6mm Allen key. Since it's removed, we need to push a little. So this is how it looks like. Once you remove the rider seat here, there's another 6mm Allen there. This one. I'm going to remove this. Turn it. It's quite hard. So you need a little turk to turk. Okay. It's removed. So there are some popping here. You need to pop this, and also on this side. And you can now access the battery. Okay, so this is the battery that we need to change. So you have to remove this, and we also have to remove this cover here, this one and this one. If you can see, there's a toolkit here. This is a toolkit. So it contains some sets here, the wrenches, Allen. So everything's here. But you need to have a 6mm Allen key to be able to remove saddle. So to remove this cover, you need a key. Oh, I forgot the 6mm is here. I use my own 6mm. There's another 6mm here. Well, since I don't have any small wrench, I need to use this adjustable wrench. Since I don't have a smaller wrench, I have to improvise this one. It's really a combination of an Allen wrench and this one. So let's try. So we need to remove this one, this block here. So we're on the last bolt, so we just have to remove it, and voila! Now we can access the battery here. We'll remove the ground first, and then the positive. Okay, next. So we'll remove the negative terminal first. Once the bolt is loose, you can use your hand. So just to make sure it's not grounded, so I will put some electrical tape. Okay. It's secured already. Now, next we're going to remove the positive terminal. So we have to be very careful in removing this, because this has the positive charge. So if it gets grounded in the chassis of the motorcycle, it might, cause some trouble with your electronics. There it is. We can access freely the battery now. And can easily remove it. It's quite heavy. Quite heavy, but it's still manageable. Okay, there you go. So it's empty. Here's the battery. So we'll replace this YTZ10 with YTZ10S. Should be the equivalent. Okay, it's brand new. So it's brand new. So it's YTZ10S. Almost the same. The one that we replaced was the YTZ10. This is the YTZ10S. So it comes with a new bolt and nut. See? It's quite heavy. Okay, so that's the new battery in place. So we'll connect the wire, both the negative and the positive wire. So I'm using the new bolt and nut for the battery. So I discarded the old one. So I'm gonna use this one. I'll put the nut under here in the terminal port, and also another nut here in the negative terminal, and then this bolt here. Okay. As a rule, you always connect once you remove the battery, you always remove the negative terminal first, and then followed by the positive terminal. But for connecting it back, you need to connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Okay. So I've attached the positive terminal already. I'm just gonna tighten it using this wrench. I utilized the new bolt and nut, so because the old bolt and nut is quite corroded already, and it might not last that long. So okay, so our positive terminal is already tight and fixed. For the negative terminal, I also use the new bolt and nut. Just tighten. Enough is enough. Before we put on the cover and all those stuff, chair, let's try to check if the battery is good already. So here I put in the key. Well, same light as before. Okay, let's try to start it up. So it's working now. Now we need to put back all the covers. So I think that's the best part. It's how you replace the battery of a